Hi sir, this is the custom scoped application which is AI powered print and mail operations command. Here it supports the process for the printers, scanners. Whenever a customer encounters an issue, they can submit the request through a service portal by selecting the affected device and what type of issues they are facing. The system automatically creates a ticket and generates a work order. By using predefined workflows. The application assigns the most suitable technician based on the availability and location. Once the assigned technician receives notification, they performs the required repair and updates the work order. We can also track the service level agreements to ensure responses and resolutions, sending alerts and whenever they are necessary. Here in this dashboard, we can observe the active service requests. We can also check the device device health reports and how many tasks, how many records are assigned to the technicians. We can also check the SLA breaching time here. Here there are three different modules which is customer self-service portal, device inventory management and smart technician management. In this customer self-service portal, this associated account is linked with the customer account table and the affected device is linked to the device inventory table. Here the user can attach an screenshots also. Here we can track the ticket status or reports. Here it automatically assigns the state and priority. Whenever a request is submitted, we can see the device inventory like which device we have selected. We can also monitor the service and maintenance history also. Here this is the record. We can also check the device health, like how many times the issue has been raised, or the how many times the device has been facing issues. We can also check how many times the users has been raising the request against this device also. This is the service request which is created by the user. I am just providing the short description. And when we update this, it automatically creates a dispatch task. Here we can see the task which is created. Whenever the service request is submitted, it automatically looks for the technician who is available and then automatically assigns the record. We can see that it is automatically assigned to the system administrator and have created a task. And whenever the task is created, we can also observe the SLA response and resolution time here. If the technician has not responded in the supposed time, then it automatically sets the response time priority to 1 and also adds the work notes. And when we change the state from open to closed complete, we can observe these changes in the dashboard also. Here we can see that the one which is operational has been converted to the as maintains required because the issue is raised, and also increases the closed complete requests also. This is the scoped application.